Greetings, friends. Welcome to our brand new podcast episode. My name is Emma, and I'll be your host. I hope everything is going well for you. Today we'll look at how to find the best commercial window washing in Manhattan. You know, well, daily or time-based window cleaning not only keeps windows in great shape but also makes them last longer. Prime Window Cleaning will be my recommendation for commercial window cleaning. They work with cleaning professionals who are well-trained and experienced. Their cleaning experts have all of the requisite cleaning equipment to provide you with adequate services at the most affordable prices. Furthermore, they provide prompt service to all customers. Prime Window Cleaning will never let you down if you want to employ a business that you can rely on in the long run. They provide facilities for all types of commercial windows, regardless of their size or shape. To learn more about their services, go to www.primewindowcleaning.com. You can reach them by dialing 800-496-0744. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you would surely hire Prime Window Cleaning in the future. That's all I've got for today. Stay tuned for more details.